This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Are you sure your Audi is actually running at its full potential? Have you ever felt like your car is fast, but somehow restrained? What if I told you that many Audi models leave the factory with dynamic settings toned down, not because of hardware limits, but because of software configuration inside the MMI system? Most owners think performance upgrades mean tuning, hardware changes, or expensive modifications. But before touching the engine, you need to check one thing: your MMI configuration. Because inside Audi Drive Select, throttle mapping, steering weight, transmission behavior, ESC calibration, and even exhaust sound can be configured differently, and many cars are not set to their most aggressive profile. What MMI really controls. MMI is not just infotainment. On modern Audi A, S, RS, and Q models, it integrates with Audi Drive Select, transmission control unit mapping, and throttle response curves, steering assist profile, adaptive suspension stiffness, start-stop behavior, and engine sound actuator where equipped. If your car is in auto mode most of the time, it constantly adjusts for comfort and efficiency. That means smoother throttle, earlier upshifts, reduced steering weight, softer suspension response. Comfortable? Yes. Maximum performance? No. Step 1. Audi Drive Select configuration. Go to Vehicle, then Audi Drive Select, then Individual. Most drivers leave it in Auto or Comfort. Instead, configure Individual like this: engine and transmission to Dynamic, steering to Dynamic, suspension to Dynamic if equipped, Sport differential to Dynamic if equipped. This alone transforms how the car reacts. Throttle becomes sharper, gearbox holds gears longer, steering becomes more precise. Same engine, different behavior. Step 2. Transmission mode awareness. If you drive an S-Tronic or Tiptronic automatic, the difference between D and S is significant. D is for efficiency mapping. S is for aggressive shift logic. But many owners never use S consistently. In sport mode, higher RPM holding, faster downshifts, stronger engine braking, more responsive acceleration. It feels like extra power. It's not more horsepower. It's better access to it. If you want to unlock the real dynamic behavior of your Audi without wasting money on unnecessary modifications, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing deep, Audi-focused technical content. No generic advice, no brand confusion. In Part 2, we'll go deeper. ESC Sport configurations, hidden menu access, start-stop deactivation logic, coding considerations, why some Audis feel restricted from factory. Step 3. ESC Sport mode. Many Audi models allow ESC Sport by holding the traction control button. This setting reduces electronic intervention, allows more wheel slip, delays torque reduction. It does not increase power, but it prevents the system from cutting it too early. Result? Stronger real-world acceleration feel. Use responsibly. Performance settings, Part 2. In Part 1, we configured Audi Drive Select properly. Now we go deeper. Because some Audis don't feel restrained due to engine limits, they feel restrained because of electronic management. And that management is controlled by software layers connected to MMI. If your Audi feels inconsistent, slightly delayed, or overly filtered, especially in automatic models, this section is for you. Why some Audis feel filtered. Modern Audi models are calibrated for emissions compliance, fuel efficiency, and comfort bias. That means throttle mapping is often softened. Gearbox logic prioritizes smoothness. Electronic stability control intervenes early. The engine may produce full power, but you don't access it immediately. Same horsepower, different behavior curve. Many drivers ignore this. But start-stop affects more than convenience. When active, engine shuts down frequently. Restart cycles increase. Electrical system load spikes. If you want consistent response, disable start-stop when driving dynamically. Consistent engine behavior equals consistent response. Inside Audi Drive Select. Steering. Dynamic increases steering weight and reduces artificial assist filtering. On adaptive suspension models, dynamic mode reduces body movement, improves front-end precision. This doesn't increase engine output, but it increases driver confidence. And that changes the driving experience significantly. Electronic stability control is designed to protect, but it also cuts torque early. Power delivery feels interrupted. Using ESC Sport allows controlled slip, delays torque reduction, improves launch feel. Never disable fully on public roads. Over time, automatic transmissions adapt to your driving style. If you drive gently, the gearbox adapts to early shifting. Some Audi models allow adaptation reset via diagnostic tools. Resetting adaptation restores factory baseline shift logic. After reset, many owners report sharper shifts, more responsive kickdown, improved acceleration feel. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It allows us to continue producing deep, Audi-only technical episodes without distractions. In Part 3, we'll cover MMI hidden menus, coding considerations, and what not to modify.
Episode Audi MMI, What You Can and Cannot Unlock, Part 3. In Part 1, we optimized Drive Select. In Part 2, we corrected electronic behavior that limits performance feel. Now we address the biggest misunderstanding. Many owners believe there are hidden horsepower blocks inside MMI. Let's be clear, MMI does not contain secret horsepower limits, but it does control access to behavior layers that influence how power is delivered, and that difference matters. What MMI can actually influence? MMI connects to Drive Select profiles, transmission logic selection, and steering calibration. It controls exhaust valve behavior on some S and RS models, sound actuator intensity, and adaptive suspension modes. It does not increase turbo boost, change engine maps, unlock hidden HP, or override ECU safety limits. True horsepower changes require ECU tuning. MMI modifies how the existing power is expressed. Hidden menus, reality check. Some Audi models allow access to green menu or developer menu through coding or diagnostic tools. Inside these menus you may see sound adjustments, visual display options, lap timer activation, and drive profile tweaks. Important, these are configuration parameters. They are not performance multipliers. Changing parameters without understanding them can trigger fault codes or affect warranty. MMI is a gateway, not a tuning tool. Let's look at the real performance unlock most people miss. Performance feels restricted when throttle mapping is soft or the gearbox adapts to gentle driving, or when ESC intervenes too early or start/stop interrupts the rhythm. Most limitations are behavioral or electrical, not mechanical. Optimizing Drive Select to dynamic and ESC to sport mode will often make the car feel immediately more responsive. Switching the transmission to S mode and disabling start/stop will make the engine response much sharper. Same horsepower, different access curve. Ensure the battery is at full health and tire pressure is properly set. This can change the car's responsiveness by 10 to 15%. Be cautious of fake promises of miracle unlocks. Modern Audi ECUs are encrypted, torque monitored, and have strict safety checks. Improper coding can trigger limp mode, cause transmission faults, or create boost inconsistencies. Respect the protection systems designed by Audi engineers. If you want a real horsepower gain, look into professional ECU tuning with supporting hardware and proper cooling. Use high-quality oil and efficient electrical systems. But remember, MMI optimization should always come before hardware upgrades. If you want to understand your Audi beyond myths and fake unlock promises, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It allows us to continue producing technical content focused on real performance. In our playlist, you'll find battery optimization, oil impact on power, and more. If you drive Audi, you should understand how the system actually works.